So in my last video, I built this awesome school website with WPSchoolPress plugin, and it was quite a fantastic experience. That's about 1 hour long video of intense tutorial showing you how to create a website like this that has a back end like this that can manage the entire affair of a school, from your teacher to student to parent to classes, to automating a lot of things, to sending notifications, to scheduling your events, for to even manage a school transport system. It was a fantastic tutorial. But I got a comment on this video I just made, and the person was asking how to customize the footer of the management system powered by WPSchoolPress, and I did look at it and gave a solution, but the person is still asking for me to show. So I just felt, since this is not a bother, I just woke up right now, let me jump and see if I can just make a very quick tutorial on how to do that. So this is exactly what this person is saying. If you scroll down, you will see copyright 2023 WPSchoolPress, alright, reserved, and the version here. Unfortunately, this plugin did not make any settings available to customize the footer credit or to remove it entirely. So I just felt there could be a way to modify the code, which I really do not advise. The thing is, if you modify your plugin code, it means that once you're updating the plugin, you lose all the settings, you will need to come and redo it, and that's just it. And I don't want to go into the process of creating a new plugin as an extension yourself. That would be just too much of a headache. But I just want you to know that this is not a permanent solution to this. You will have the issues of coming to come and update this whenever you update the plugin. So if you come to plugins and you come to plugin file editor, this is where you can edit your plugin files. So Elementor here is the plugin. So if I switch this to WPSchoolPress and I hit the select button, I'll be brought here to the plugin files. So if I come down to wpsplayout.php, and that's responsible for the layout of the plugin. If we scroll down to there's a long scroll down. Okay, yeah, 1155, you will see footer class WPS footer, and you see this is the copyright code here, and all right, reserved. So you'd also see that this is the version. Two things you can do here: modify this or take it off completely. So for example, if we were to modify, since our website is Best Cash Center, I can just change this URL to my website URL, which will be Best Cash Center. I would love to do HTTPS, and then I'll change the text, which is the WPSchoolPress, to Best Cash Center. Sorry, that's the name of the domain I used to create this. So you can change this to your domain or whatever you want to put here. You can. It should be Best Cash Center. Then all right, reserved. And then you can also change the version also to you can change the name to Best Cash Center. And once we make these changes, what we can do is just update this file. So if we come back to our school right now, if we refresh this page and we scroll down, so you can see now that we have Best Cash Center. So anybody that clicks this link will take us to the home page of our website. And we can also see Best Cash. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. I left the Best Cash Center version 2.1.20. So that's the first thing you can do. And the second thing you can do is to just take out the code completely. You can just copy the code, and for me, I'll cut this, and then let's update this. So you can see, and then if I come here, if I refresh, you can see we don't have any footer credit here. So that's exactly what you can do. So that's the solution I can think in my head right now. But one thing you have to take note is the fact that when whenever there's an update for this plugin and you update this plugin, you will need to come and make these same changes in the plugin files. Is that simple to do? You can check out this video on my channel. I will leave a link in the description below and also on the screen right now for you to be able to watch this video and then create an amazing school like this. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in another one. Bye for now.